Okay, so let's start. Hello. This video we are going to talk in it about the model which is from the consultant of math. This model is for 2024. Okay, the first term. It consists of about 4 questions. Question 1 is a choose question, have 7 points or 7 questions. Question 2 is a complete choice, complete question, have 8 questions in it. Question 3 is okay. So let's start solving this, starting by question number 1. So as you see here, question 1 is a choose question. Question number 1 in it, the value of the number 2 in the number 20,705,100 is his place. He wonder about the value. We said that value needs a number, so 2 here is in 10 million, so gonna be 20 million, letter D. Or we can put 2 and erase all this number, or replace them with zeros. So we have here how many digits? If you can count it, it's just 7 digits, so we will put 7 zeros. So the answer gonna be letter D. Okay. Number 2, the appropriate unit for measuring the distance between two cities is space. The suitable unit for measuring this distance between cities, we said the distance is very big, so we need a big unit. Which one is suitable? Gonna be letter C, kilometer. Okay, 500,000 equal how many at a 100? Okay, so you can wait. Okay, wait until I finish. Okay, so let's complete. 500,000 means to add zeros, and 100 means that 100 have 2 zeros. So this number gonna be have 5 zeros, and this is 2, so we can remove this 2 zeros with this 2 zeros, so we'll have as remainder 500 and 0, which is 5,000. So the answer is letter B, 5,000. Question number 4, which of the following equation explains the commutative property of multiplication? The first one is multiplying by 0, so it's not right. The letter B is the additive, the multiplicative identity, and it's not right. This is called associative, also it's not right. Not associative, sorry. It is a distributive property. The right answer gonna be letter D, 5 by 3 equals 3 by 5, because we switched the places of the number. 5 by 3 has inverse or flipped at the right hand side to be 3 times 5. Okay, so question number 5, which of the following represents a prime number? Which of the following represents a prime number? The number space. 30 is not a prime, because 30 is 2 times 15 and 3 by 10. 31 is a prime, of course. Yeah, 31 is a prime. Why? Because 31 is only 31 times 1. It have nothing else. It have no factors else. Okay, so question number 6. Question number 6. 1 kilograms and 200 grams equal how many grams? 1 kilogram means 1000 gram added to 200, so 1000 plus 200 gonna be 1200. Okay, so question number 7. Question number 7. A rectangle with a length of 6 centimeter and width 4 centimeter, then it's a perimeter. He wants the perimeter here. Perimeter gonna be equal to length added to width multiplied by 2. So length here is 6 plus width, which is equal to 4. So 6 plus 4 times 2. 6 plus 4 going to be 10. 10 times 2 gonna be 20. So the answer is 20. Question 2. Complete the following. Subtract these two numbers, 615,000 and 106, minus 106 and 615. So we need to subtract these two numbers. To subtract this two number, we need to do it vertically. So we will put the big number in the top and the smaller number in under it, 106, directly under it, 615. So now we need to subtract, move from right to left. 6 minus 5 gonna be 1. 0 minus 1 cannot be, so we will take from 1. 1 going to be 0 and 0 gonna be 10. Now 10 minus 1 gonna be 9. 0 minus 6 cannot be, so we'll take from 5, going to be 4. This 0 gonna be 10. 10 minus 6 gonna be 4, and then 4 minus 6 cannot be, so we'll take from 1. 1 going to be 0 and 4 will be 14. 14 minus by 6 gonna be 8. 0 minus 0 gonna be 0. 6 minus 1 gonna be 5. So the answer is 508,491. Question number 2. 1500 divided by 3. So in this question, we can put this two number and drop them down here and divide 15 by 3. As you know, 15 divided by 3 going to be 5. So the answer is 500. Question number C is a complete question. A times 9 equal to 45. Then the value of A gonna be. So ask yourself which is number multiplied by 9 to give you 45. Of course it's 5. So the answer is 5. Double the number. Okay. Double. Okay. Double the number 10 equals 4 times the number space. So now let's go to question 5. Double the number 10 equals 4 times the number space. Double the number 10. Double number 10, the word double means 2 by 10. 2 by 10, which is equal to 20. So double the number 10, this word means 2 times 10, which is 20, equals 4 times space. So 4 times space equals 20. This is a question. So 4 times 5, of course. So the answer is 5. Again, double the number 10. Double the number 10 equals 4 times space. 4 times the number space. So double the number 10 means 2 by 10, which is 20. 20 equals 4 times the number space. So 4 times 5 will be 20. This is number 4. Number 5, It's related with order of operation. Order of operation, we said before that the order of operation, number one is bracket, number two times and divide, number three is minus and plus. So now we have brackets here, so we need to start with the brackets. 8 divided by 2 gonna be 4, then add 8 multiply 2. So we have here plus and times, which is first times 2 by 8 going to be 16. 16 plus 4 gonna be 20. Question number 6. A square with a side length of 6 centimeter, its area equals space centimeter square. A square with a side length 6. Square, side length 6. He wants the area. The area of a square equal side length times side length. Okay, so gonna be 6 by 6, which is 36 centimeter square. Now 2 days and 2 hours equal how many hours? 2 days means 2 times 24, because 1 day equal 24 hours. 2 times 24 gonna be 48, plus 2 hours. 48 plus 2 hour will be 50 hours. Number 8. A milliard is the smallest space digit number. The milliard, as you know, is 1 and beside it 9 zeros. 1 and beside it 9 zeros. So it have how many digits? He didn't ask about the number of zeros. He wonder about the number of digits. So count the digits here. We have 9 zeros and the 1. So going to be 10 digit number. Again, the milliard is 10, the smallest 10 digit number. Okay, now let's go to the second part of the choose questions. Number 1, the standard form for the number 100 million 10,000 and 110. The standard form for the number 100 million 10,000 and 110, it is letter P. Okay, so now the appropriate number that makes the following statement true is, so let's check who's with us. Okay, let's complete. Now the appropriate number that makes the following statement true is, so now let's compare. He said that the number at left is the biggest, so 1 and 1, 3 and 3, 4 and 4, 5 and 5, space and 6. Which is bigger than 6 from the choose? It's 9. 9 is bigger than 6, so it makes sense. 9 is a choose, which make sense. Okay, so the answer is 9. Number 3, the additive identity element is a space. The additive identity element is a space. The mirror in addition, the number which when you add it to any number, the answer is the number itself, so it is 0, because 0 plus 20 gonna be 20, 0 plus 3 gonna be 3, and so on so far. Question number 4, the equation that expresses a number equal a number, so a for example, equal means equal to 7 times means times the number 100, so 7 times 100, so a is 7 times 100, letter C. Okay, number 5, the remainder of 53 divided by 5 is the number space. He wanted the remainder, so this is a long division. This is a long division. Okay, let's do this. let's get back. The remainder, he wanted the remainder of divisions is, for divisions is, so let's divide this two number, 53 divided by 5. Now let's get the multiple of 5 from 5 by 1, which is 5. 5 by 2 will be 10 until we reach 5 by 10, which is 50. 5 by 11 is 55. So 53 is between this and this. So let's try 5 by 2 also is 10. So the steps here is to divide number 2 multiply number 3 is minus. So now divide 5 by 5 will be 1. 5 divided by 5 will be 1. After division we do multiply, so 1 by 5 is 5. Okay, so let's complete. So complete this division. 1 by 5 is 5. Now subtract. 5 minus 5 gonna be 0. Okay, so now we are going to drop this 3. Okay, so as you know, 53 is between 50 and 55, so the answer gonna be again 3 divided by 5 gonna be, we said when we try to divide for the second time and we cannot bring down again, number 4 is to bring down, we cannot bring down here, so we can put 0 here. So the answer or the quotient is 10 and the remainder gonna be 3. So the remainder gonna be 3. Okay, and as you know, 50 is equal to 5 by 10, so we can put this 10 here in the quotient and the remainder gonna be the difference between 53 and 50. Okay, question number 6. 10 liters equal how many milliliter? So it's gonna be multiplied by 1000, so 10,000. 20,000 meter equal how many kilometer? So here we are going to divide by 1000, so divide these 3 zeros with those, so gonna be 20 kilometers. Now let's go to the essay questions. A student wants to divide the amount of 675 equally among his 3 colleges. What is the share of each of them? So here it's division. Let's do it with the standard algorithm. So I will put the biggest number inside, or the dividend inside, and where is the divisor? He said equally among his 3 colleges. So this is the divisor. Divisor is 3. Okay, so we will divide by 3. Now let's get the timetable of 3. So 3 by 1 will be 3. 3 by 2 will be 6. 3 by 3 will be 9. 3 by 4 12. Enough. If we need, we will complete it. Now that the steps is divide, number 2 multiply, number 3 minus number 4 is to bring down. Now divide 6 by 3 gonna be 2. After division it's multiplication. 2 by 3 gonna be 6. Now subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now drop down the 7. As you know, 7 is between 6 and 9, so between 2 and 3, so we'll take 2 again. 2 by 3 gonna be 6. Now subtract, it gonna be 1. Now we will need to bring it down, this 5. 15 divided by 3 we need to complete. 3 by 5 will be 15, as you know, so 15 divided by 3 will be 5. We will put the 5 up. 5 by 3 15. Now subtract, it is equal 0 and 0, so now we finished. So the answer is 200. We can say that 675 divided by 3 equals 225. Student divide amount He didn't share of each of them. 225, enough. Okay. Number 2, find the greatest common factor, GCF, between 12 and 20. So explaining your answer with the steps. So to get the GCF, we will do this T chart. As you know, 12 and 20. 12 is 1 by 12, 2 by 6, 3 by 4, and the 20 is 1 by 20, 2 by 10, 4 by 5. So the common between them is 1, 2, and 4, and nothing else. So GCF, the greatest common factor, is 4. Okay, find the result of this multiplication. Okay, let's complete question 3. The result of this multiplication, 49 times 30. To make it easy, you need to drop down this 0 out. Equal, so you can say that easily. To make it easy, 49 times 30 equal space, and at the end of it put 0. Now we have 49 multiplied by 3, so we can do it easily by the standard algorithm for multiplication. So we need to choose a color. So 49 in the top, and the 3 and the red. So 3 multiplied by 49. As usual, you will multiply 3 by 9 at the first, and the 3 by 4 second. Okay, so 3 by 9, 27. So 27, we will drop down the 7 and carry up the 2 up. So 7 gonna be dropped down and 2 gonna be carried up. So now 3 by 4 is 12. Don't add first, multiply first. This question is to multiply. So 3 by 4 is 12. 12 added to 2 gonna be 14. So the answer is 147. And don't forget, you have 0. You have 0 here. So 1470 is the answer. So the answer is 1470. So 49 times 30 is 1470. Okay. The next question, he wanted the area of the opposite figure. To calculate the area here, we need to divide this shape, or split it into regular shapes, because this is unregular. So we can make it like this. Yeah, so now we have 3 regular shapes. This shape number 1, we can call it or name it by number 1, shape number 1, and shape number 2, and shape number 3. All what we need now is to know the dimension of each one. Dimensions of each one. This shape number 1 is looks it looks like a rectangle, as you see here. So it have length and width. Its length is 3. Its width we don't know it right now, till now. Yeah, so we have here 2, and this side is 2, and this side is 2, and this side is 2. So we can add all of them. So going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be 6. Now we need the dimensions of shape number 2. We have its length is 3. Its width we don't know it till now. So we have the vertical lines 2 and 2. So we can say that it is 4. Okay, so we can say that this is 6 and this is 4. This side is 6. Let's color it with another color. With this color, for example, this is 6 and this is 4. Okay, and this is 2, of course. This is 2, of course. It's equal to this side. So this is 2, and this is 4, and this is 6. So to calculate the area of the shape, it's gonna be the total area will be area 1, area of shape 1, plus area of shape 2 plus area of shape 3. So let's get the area of each one. Area of shape 1 gonna be the length by the width, so 3 by 6. We don't take the cutted dimensions, the cutted sides we didn't take it, we take the whole sides, so 3 by 6 plus shape number 2, this shape 3 and 4, so 3 by 4. As you know, this is all of this are rectangles, and the rectangles, its area is equal to length by width. Okay, so 3 by 4 plus the last shape number 3, 2 by 3, so gonna be 2 by 3. So 3 by 6 will be 18 plus 3 by 4 will be 12, 2 by 3 gonna be 6. So now 18 plus 12 gonna be 30, 30 plus 6 it will be 36. Don't forget the unit. Here we are going to calculate area, so centimeter squared. Don't forget. So this is the answers of the whole model. So see you next time. Goodbye.